Hi, this is Billie Beene here with a World News Flash Update. Today's date, May 19, 2024. Time in Texas about 12 noon. It's being reported by Israel that the president of Iran is dead, and apparently his helicopter was brought down in a sabotage assassination by bombing. That just has occurred within the last few hours. So this is what we know. And we know that Israel is the only one who is reporting he has passed. Earlier this morning, the president of Iran was attending a dedication of a dam in Azerbaijan. He was on one helicopter, President Raisi of Iran. He was on the helicopter with Iranian Foreign Minister, President Raisi's security team, Azerbaijan Governor Malik Rahman, and I believe there was also a representative of the Islamic religion was also on board. So it was one out of three helicopters that were flying over a foggy, mountainous area. The two helicopters landed in Iran. The helicopter carrying President Raisi crashed. And it's since after 2.5 hours had passed with no beacon from the helicopter, it's believed that the helicopter was bombed. Immediately after the crash that happened approximately 3 hours ago, 40 rescue teams were sent out, including dogs and drones, near the village of Uzi, near the Dismar forest area in Azerbaijan. After 2.5 hours with no sign of life from the helicopter, the supreme leader of Iran, Ayatollah Khamenei, declared a state of emergency in Iran. The Iranian Revolutionary Guard is on combat alert. It's now being reported, according to U.S. intel, there were no survivors of President Raisi's helicopter. It's believed it was sabotaged by bomb. No beacon came forth from the helicopter. The first to announce that the president of Iran is dead was Israeli TV. This concludes my flash. I love you, and I'll see you soon.